Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we have a total of 959 odds for you, 4 matches, and they are all correct score. And this game, you can also play them straight away full time for the home team. I'm going to list all of them out, and when you play this home team full time, it will give you a total of 30 to 32 or depending on your bookie. And also in this channel we provide daily 5 to 20 odds on a VIP platform, and also 50 to 200 odds weekends for our VIP subscribers. If you are interested, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Also, we have a Telegram group and channel where our fans discuss and interact with each other. They share ideas together. If you need free games, kindly check our Telegram group for our free games. We have good punters in our group that predict free games on our Telegram channel. Kindly check the channel. Kindly check the comment section for the Telegram link. Okay, let's move on. Our first game today is in Argentina Primera Nacional, where Atlético Atlanta is taking on Deportivo Madrid, and this game will take place on the 4th of July 2023, and our prediction is home team win full time 1-0 correct score at the odds of 5.10. Then our second game on our list is in Brazil Serie B, where Botafogo is taking on Guarani SP, and our prediction is 1-0 correct score for home team being Botafogo. Then we move on to our third game on our list in Argentina National Primera, where Atlético Linus is taking on Varex Saffield, and our prediction is home team win 1-0 correct score. You'll be wondering why everything is 1-1-0. That is what our data is. That is what our data present to us. We work with data. So guys, as the new season will comes up, in this channel we'll be sharing super predictions. So kindly stay long. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. In this channel we share predictions on daily basis, and we also share tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different betting markets, from full-time draw, correct score, how to predict halftime, full-time, how to predict over 1.5, how to predict both team to score, how to predict basketball, how to predict different football markets. So check this channel out for those videos. Will be of help to you, and also give you an edge over your bookie. Okay guys, the last game on our list is in Argentina National Primera. This game will take place on the 5th of July, being Wednesday 2023, and the game is a game between Racing Club versus San Lorenzo, and our prediction is full-time win for the home team being Linus, and the correct score is 1-0. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. Kindly check this channel for more interesting videos. See you next